Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Governor Sheriff Oborevwori of Delta State has assured the people of the state that he will work round the clock to ensure they derive the full benefits of government funds invested in projects by past administration, as well as initiate more to drive socio-economic gains for the people. Governor Oborevwori, who visited sites of ongoing projects in the state last week, says his administration is committed to ensuring interconnectivity across the state through infrastructure development.
On his assumption of office in May last year, one of the promises of Right Honorable Sheriff Oborevwori to the people of Delta State was to ensure the completion of all projects initiated by the outgone administration in the state, as prescribed by the principle of continuity in governance, which is aimed at delivering value for every government fund invested in the said project. In pursuance of this social pact with the people, Governor Oborevwori went around several project sites in the state last week to see for himself the level of ongoing works. The project visited are Okpanam Ibuza Link Road, Beneku Bridge, Emevo Orogun Road, Orere Bridge and Model Technical College Orerokpe, which the governor disclosed will be home to the Orerokpe campus of the University of Science and Technology, Ozoro. Inspecting the facility, Governor Oborevwori said the Ministry of Technical Education would hand over the facilities at the college in Orerokpe to the Ministry of Higher Education for the takeoff of the university campus to house the Faculty of Management Sciences, which will go on to meet the needs of Deltans seeking tertiary education.
Today we are very proud to say that we have other 3 state universities, with the old one making 4 universities. And it's still not enough. So we need to create more campuses to serve the need of education. Education is very important. It's a source of one's life. You may acquire everything on this earth. Those will live, but education still remain in you. So I cherish education. So that's the reason why we are here now to see how the project can be converted to proper campus.
Governor Oborevwori, accompanied by other government officials at Beneku Bridge connecting Ndoko West and East local government areas, as well as 500-meter-long Orere Bridge connecting over 30 communities that make up the Ewu Kingdom in Ughelli South of the state, emphasized the need for interconnectivity between communities for socio-economic advancement in the state.
This bridge, not only because when you construct it, connect to Orere, there are other 15 villages. So by constructing this bridge, you have touched the life of people in those villages.
On the ongoing Emevo Orogun Road, Governor Oborevwori assured that his government will keep to its responsibilities to ensure the project and every other ongoing project in the state are completed in no distant time.
Inside the Niger Delta,